Fusion. It is the holy grail of energy, the literal heart of the sun's power. We often imagine it as a high-speed collision, like two billiard balls smashing together until they stick. But in the quantum realm, the word collision is a lie. At the sun's core, hydrogen nuclei merge to form helium, releasing the enormous energy that lights up our solar system. But this isn't a simple mechanical impact. It is a probabilistic dance governed by the strange mathematics of wave functions. To understand fusion, you have to stop seeing protons as solid objects. In quantum mechanics, a proton is a wave function, a smeared-out map of where that particle might be. When two protons approach each other in the sun, their wave functions begin to overlap. They don't just hit each other, their possibilities mingle. Fusion only happens when these waves interfere in just the right way. It isn't a guarantee of contact, it's a calculation of chance. Even when the wave functions overlap, the dance isn't over. To become helium, one of these protons must undergo a transformation. Through the weak nuclear force, it must turn into a neutron, releasing a positron and a neutrino. This is the ultimate bottleneck. This specific change is incredibly unlikely. In fact, if you watched a single pair of protons, they would bounce off each other billions of times before this specific quantum transition occurred. The sun's energy doesn't come from a sure thing. It comes from the world's most difficult gamble. So, why is the sun so bright if fusion is so unlikely? It's a matter of scale. There are roughly 10 to the power 57 protons in the sun. Even if the probability of a single fusion event is astronomical, the sun is so vast that trillions of these unlikely events happen every single second. The sun shines because it is playing a numbers game. It turns the impossible into the inevitable through sheer, overwhelming volume. Every photon that hits your eye is the result of a quantum lottery that was won in the center of a star. We often think of the universe as a clockwork machine, predictable and solid. But the sun proves otherwise. Our existence depends on the fact that at a fundamental level, reality is fluid and uncertain. We are powered by a probabilistic dance. We live because the wave functions of tiny particles happen to overlap in the dark. Fusion isn't just a physical process. It's the impossible made real through the laws of quantum mechanics.